Hey everyone, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how we can generate the exam type plus skill based Denali report. So here is my sample Excel sheet in which you need to enter your data or your information in order to generate this report card. Here in the report card, as you can see, there is a school or institute information at the top, and here is the title of the report. So enter this information over here in the school details, the name, address, the title, and here is a logo. Also, this theme is a purple theme right now, but there are some other supported themes and you can copy and paste one of these themes to the theme cell. Also, you need to mention the grade boundary over here so that the grade boundary will be printed here on the report card. Let's move to student details. In the student details, there is a student name, class name, roll number, and the attendance details. I have only 5 students, but you can have any number of students, and you need to enter the same information for them. So these information, the student information is printed over here: the student name, roll number, class, and the attendance. Let's move further in the subject results. Here the student name and the roll number. So copy these roll number and student name from the student details page to the next sheets. So here the subject name and the obtained marks, the total marks, percentage, and the grade. So for each subject I have 4 columns. So if you have 3 subjects, then you should have 12 columns. You can add or remove columns as per the subject requirement. So enter the same for other subjects and enter the marks. So the marks will be printed and the grade and the percentage will be printed over here. Now let's move further to the skill results. Here are the skills: social skills, gross motor skills, fine motor skills. You can add or remove skills and the columns as per the requirement. Here is the roll number and the student name, which I have copied from the student details. These skills are printed over here, and the same for activity subject skills. The activity subject skills are here. The graph is printed based on this details which we have entered in the Excel sheet. Now the student comments. First there is roll number and student name column, and then comments. The comment which you enter over here will be printed as a class teacher's comment. And lastly, the signature. Here I have 3 signatures, and you can edit or change the signature holder name, the designation, and you need to put the signature over here so that it will print like this. This is how we can generate the exam type plus skill based Denali report using Excel. So go to EduCloud to generate this report card, and feel free to contact for further information on support@educloud.in. Thank you.